Good morning, fellow human beings. Yesterday in my last video, I mentioned maxims of commercial law. So what we have the common law maxim versus the legal maxim. And these are very important in your affidavit of truth and should be probably the initial thing that you need to do a bit of research on. Don't listen to anything I say. I'll read them all out to you and you go off and do your own research. So number one, a workman is worthy of his hire. Okay, so that's the common law. The legal maxim is it's against equity for free men not to have the free disposal of their own property. Okay, your second maxim, common law, all are equal under the law. Okay, we're on about common law here, not legislation. So the legal maxim is no one is above the law. Even those little piggies arresting people for nothing at these protests. Okay. Your third maxim, common law maxim, in commerce, truth is sovereign. Okay? So in commerce, truth is sovereign. Now, the legal maxim is to lie is to go against the mind. Well, we know judges and police do that every day. So, you know. Okay, what have we got next? Okay, number 4. Now, this is very important, is number 4, because truth is expressed by means of an affidavit. Now, there's no legal maxim there, so straight away at point 4, whomever you're putting an affidavit up against, whether it be, improper fines, a police officer that's kidnapped you, no one can actually rebut point 4. Truth is expressed by means of affidavit. There's no legal maxim there. So, boom, strike one to you, yeah? Now, number 5, an unrebutted affidavit stands as truth in commerce, yeah? Now, the legal maxim, some of you probably know this, he who does not deny admits. So if you get something and don't rebut it, your silence is seen as admittance, okay? Now, point 6, an unrebutted affidavit becomes the judgment in commerce. Now, again, legal maxim, there's none. It's a concept of a duel without weapons. That's what acts and statutes are. That's what the commercial world is. It's bits of paper instead of swords and pistols. Number 7, a matter to be expressed to be resolved. Okay. Now the legal maxim, he who fails to assert his rights has none. So make sure you're asserting your rights. And know your rights. Number 8, he who leaves the field of battle first loses by default. So that's your common law maxim. The legal maxim, he who does not repel a wrong when he can occasions it. Okay. Number 9, sacrifice is the measure of credibility. The legal maxim here is he who bears the burden ought also to derive the benefit, making you, the living man, the beneficiary instead of the debtor, like they've been doing to people for thousands of years. Maybe looking at the 4-corner rule on that one. Always put your details on the left of any document. That means you're the creditor. And whomever you're going up against, you put the information on the right-hand side, which means they're the debtor. Now, at school, we were told to write letters that way. Again, another indoctrination technique by the system. Sorry, I digress. Okay, and number 10. A lien or claim can be satisfied only through rebuttal by counter-affidavit point for point, resolution by jury or payment. Okay, the legal maxim, if the plaintiff does not prove his case, the defendant is absolved. So straight away, out of the 10 I wrote there, there's 2 they can't rebut, and that's where you've got them by the short and curlies. So I'll leave that right there. Check out your commercial maxims, okay? And don't listen to me. Do your research, people. Peace, love and respect, humans. Bye.